In this video I'm going to show you a pre-built strategy on tradingview.com that uses EMAs and long and short signals to increase your profits long term. I'll be testing this out on GBP USD on the 5-minute time frame, and make sure you watch the full video because I'm going to show you exactly what it is, where to find it, what settings to use and how to take entries. So to use this indicator we're going to make sure we're on tradingview.com. We're going to head up to indicators up here. I'd like to quickly tell you about Trader Edge. Trader Edge is a website that allows you to track your trades, backtest strategies, calculate position sizes and so much more. Thousands of traders are using Trader Edge to get an edge on the competition. The backtester section allows you to easily track backtesting progress, and it provides a ton of important data. I've used this to backtest all of my strategies shared on the channel. Trader Edge also provides indicators and strategies that you can start using today to become a profitable trader. On top of all of this, Trader Edge is also giving you a step-by-step guide on backtesting worth $100. You'll also receive a full course on how to build a profitable mechanical trading strategy, which has a value of $240. If you sign up right now, they'll even throw in 4 pre-made high-quality strategies that are worth $100 alone. That's $470 worth of bonuses absolutely free, and they offer a 7-day free trial so you can try it out today completely risk-free. Make sure you click the link in the description to claim your bonuses now. And back to the video. Typed in neural and it's neural network by unknown unicorn. Onto settings up here. I've kept the EMA 200 on, the HMA line, I've removed the week long triangle, the week short triangle, and then these 4 options down here. So there we go, the chart looks a lot cleaner and I'm going to show you how to use it. So this blue line down here is the 200 EMA, and that is our trend bias for the long term. So in general, when price is above this 200 EMA we'll be looking for buys, and when it's below we'll be looking for sells. But we'll also be using this HMA line here. This is the one that changes from blue to red, and this is to show a shorter term trend direction. So for example, when the price is above this 200 EMA line here, and the HMA line is also blue, this is a good indication there is a long trend. And you can see here price did rise up. The background on this strategy is also a good indicator of bias. So when it's blue we're looking for buys and red for sells. You can also see we have these short and long signals which will tell you when to get in on the candle once it's closed. I'm now going to show you exactly how to take entries. So for a long position we want to make sure that price is above the 200 EMA and above the HMA line. The HMA line also has to be blue for a buy. This is a double confirmation to show that we are in a long trend. And then finally we want to wait for a long signal to paint. Now we don't enter on this candle, we have to wait until this candle closes. This way you know that the long signal is absolutely locked in. So we'd open our long position on the start of the following candle, which is this red one here. Put our stop loss to the recent swing low. And then as always we'll be targeting 1.5 times the risk. You can try targeting 2 times the risk if you like, but for this strategy I'll be backtesting 1.5. A good example of a long trade not playing out is this one here. You can see that we had a long signal paint and price was above the 200 EMA. If you have a look at the HMA line you can see that it is red and price is still below it. Our valid entry would have been on the close of this candle here, but personally I wouldn't have entered because the long label was all the way back here. So for a short trade we want to make sure that the price is below the 200 EMA and below the HMA line. The HMA line has to also be red or has just turned from blue to red. And finally we want the short label to paint and it has to lock in with the candle close. So we'd enter a short position on the start of the following candle here. Our stop loss to the recent swing high, I've set it to the top of the wick there, and then we'll target 1.5 times the risk. So you can see that trade hit, and it also would have hit 2 times the risk as well. So I'm now going to backtest this strategy 100 times using the Trader Edge backtester. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to see the results. So here's the final results for the backtesting. We started with an initial account balance of $5,000, as this is the smallest account on my Forex funds. If you've seen any of my previous videos you'll know that I definitely prefer to trade with prop firms, as there's no point risking your own money when trading. We had a win rate of 55% and gained 45% on the account overall, going from $5,000 all the way to $7,214. With 55 wins and 45 losses with a profit factor of 1.83. Definitely do check this out and backtest it on some different pairs and different time frames, and let me know in the comments the kind of results you get. Please do hit that subscribe button if you've enjoyed the video today, and I'll see you all in the next video.